Let's learn how you can fix call screening option not working on your iOS 26. So this is most probably the problem of your region, and you just need to change region so you can fix the option. To do that, you need to go to settings, click on general, scroll down and click on language and region. Now you want to open this region option, and here you can just select the country that has this option and go back, open your app store, click on your profile picture in top right corner, click on your name, and you can just click on country/region, and you also need to change it here. When you do that, you just need to restart your iPhone and go to settings again and check if you got this option now. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.